how to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go into the settings of your iPhone and disable stolen device protection. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel, because that really helps me out. So, to turn off stolen device protection on our iPhone, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the settings. Then in the settings, scroll down until we get to Face ID and passcode select. Go ahead and enter your passcode. Once you get into Face ID and passcode, scroll down, and you'll see stolen device protection, select that. And then all we need to do to actually turn it off is simply toggle off stolen device protection. Now there is one thing: when you do that, Apple has built in a security measure that is called a security delay, so it won't actually turn off for an hour, and that is in case your phone is stolen, and the person who stole it knows your passcode and is trying to steal the phone from you and keep it. So below that you'll see require security delay. If you select always, that will ensure that there will always be that 60-minute delay. If you select away from familiar location and you're at one of your familiar locations such as your home or work, then you will not have that security delay. So now we're ready, we can go ahead and toggle off stolen device protection. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.